In this video, you'll learn how to get a domain on Bluehost. We'll go step by step so that by the end you'll understand not only what to click, but also what's actually happening and why it matters for your website. When you sign up for a hosting plan with Bluehost, you usually have the option to get a domain included for free for the first year, as long as you choose an annual plan. That typically means either a 12-month or a 36-month hosting package. The domain is your website's address on the internet, like example.com, and hosting is the space where your website's files live. You need both, and this process helps you set up both at the same time. Start by going to the Bluehost website and choosing the hosting plan that works best for you. As you go through the sign-up flow, you'll select your term length, such as 1 year or 3 years. Remember, the free domain offer usually applies to those longer-term plans, not month-to-month billing, so make sure you've picked a 12 or 36-month option if you want that first year of domain registration included. Once you've picked your plan and moved forward, you'll eventually see a page that says something like, "Next, we'll set up your domain." This is the key part for getting your domain. On this page, you'll see a field where you can enter the domain name you want. Type in the website address you have in mind without any spaces. For example, if you're starting a bakery, you might type something like Best Bakery and then choose your extension such as .com or another option from the dropdown. After you enter the domain name, Bluehost will automatically check if it's available. If your first choice is taken, don't worry. Try small variations like adding a word that makes sense for your brand or trying a different but still professional extension. Take a moment to think about spelling, length, and how easy it is to say and remember. A clear, simple domain is usually better than something long or complicated. When you find a domain that's available and you're happy with it, confirm that selection on the same page. At this point, Bluehost will associate that domain with the hosting plan you're purchasing. Because you're on an eligible annual plan, the registration for that domain should be free for the first year, though you'll still need to renew it in future years at the normal rate. From there, continue through the checkout process. You'll create your account, add your payment details for hosting, and review any optional add-ons. Some users choose extras like domain privacy, which helps keep your personal contact details off public records. Take a moment to read what's offered so you only pay for what you actually need. Once you complete your purchase, Bluehost will finalize both your hosting account and your new domain. You'll receive confirmation emails with your account details and information about your domain registration. After that, when you log into your Bluehost dashboard, you'll see your domain listed and ready to be used for your website. And that's the process. By purchasing an eligible annual hosting plan and using the Next, we'll set up your domain page to enter and confirm your desired name. You can get your domain on Bluehost and have it set up from the very start of your hosting journey.